Now, at first glance at this particular problem, so working out the integral of 2x e to the x squared dx, you might want to try and use the by parts. But that will involve integrating e to the x squared, and there's no direct method for doing that. So we're going to actually use the method of substitution. So what I'm going to do is let u be x squared. And the reason being, when I differentiate x squared, I do actually get 2x. So let u be equal to x squared, and in the method of substitution, what you always do is you differentiate. So you get du over dx is 2x, and then you rearrange this for dx, so dx will be du over 2x. Right, so my integral of 2x e to the x squared, well, this will become e to the u, so the integral of e to the u. And when I replace dx, the two x's will cancel out, and I just get e to the u du, which is quite an easy integral. The integral of e to the u with respect to u is itself, plus c. And then you need to substitute back u is equal to x squared into this expression. So the final answer will be e to the x squared plus c. So this has been a video to show you how to do integration by substitution using the method, using an exponential function. You should also note that this can also be done by using the idea of the reverse of the chain rule. Okay, so I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.